Everybody's Mike from Monkey Fab. So the Deutsch connector stuff, really great, really, it's brilliant to work with, super easy. But you might not want to spend $260-ish for a kit. I have this kit and I love the kit, but you don't always need 12-pin and 8-pin connectors. It's just not something you really use a lot of. So we'll just make the kit $200 more cheaper. Is that a word, more cheaper? And give you guys this. And what you get with this is 5 the 2 pins, 5 of the 3 pins. You get an extra set of the heavy duty for the thicker gauge wire and the crimper boys. So you get everything you pretty much need minus the little the poker tool that helps you pin and unpin those guys. But for only $63.47, which is like over $200 cheaper than the kit.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good deal. But I want cheaper, Mike. I can't afford $63.47. We got you covered too. Get rid of the 3 guys and you just get the 2-guy connectors and an extra pin set for them. So you got the large gauge, the small gauge. These guys got the small gauge pins in them, and the crimpers. So you get 5 of those, the crimpers, and an extra set for $45.65, which is amazing. So we're gonna have that up on the site. You guys can pick that up and save yourself some money if you don't want to have like the full kit with all the odd lots of wire and connectors. Maybe you just need the 2 and 3s. So there you go, guys. Check it out, Monkey Fab, monkeyfabgarage.com. Link in the description.